While we can log in into the server through SSH and look at this log and that log and monitor resources, it can be much easier to get a dashboard view of what our server is doing. There are a number of packages that offer this capability, like Webmin and Cockpit are two popular choices. Let's take a look at Cockpit, which provides some useful and helpful chart and basic administrative capability in the browser. I will make sure that my packages list are updated with just type apt space update command, and then I will install Cockpit with apt install space Cockpit. As you can see on the screen, I will press Y to install the software. After installation is completed, this start up a web service on port 9090. So I will add firewall rule to allow traffic through with ufw space allow space 9090/TCP. Once that's done, I will open the browser on my client and visit http:// the address of my server or hostname :9090 port, as you can see on the screen. Here I am prompted about connection security. I will choose advanced and add exception and confirm the security exception. And here's the login screen for Cockpit. I can log in with my user or with any user in the administrative group. And here's the dashboard. On the first screen, the system screen, I have chart of CPU usage, memory, disk and network I/O. As you can see on the screen, I can take a look at the logs and I can dive down into the detail of storage, networking, accounts and services. And there's even terminal inside the browser, especially if you are not too comfortable with the terminal or if you just want to keep an eye on your server in browser. Cockpit and solutions like it provides an easy accessible way of interacting with your server. In a larger installation, even individual graphical dashboard for each server become very famous. Many organizations use log aggregator and monitoring software that runs on one central server to keep track of going activities on the services. Software like Cacti, Nagios, Prometheus, New Relic, Splunk, PagerDuty and other allows the logs and metrics from a large number of devices to be collected, queried and analyzed all in one place. And some of them let you set up alert for behavior that's out of the routine. Some of them are services you sign up for and add packages to your server, and other runs on premises and require you to set up a remote logging yourself. This is the methods. rsyslog, the logging daemon that runs on many Linux machines. It can be configured to send logs to such a server. This course is not about enterprise infrastructure management through, so if you need those capability, I encourage you to explore which of these products suits your needs. One of the great thing about the server is that most of the time they just hide away and do whatever you have told them to do. But it's important to keep an eye on what they are doing so you can take action if you need to have.